Hello students, today I am going to teach you adjectives. Now, what do you mean by adjectives? Adjectives म्हणजे काय? Adjectives म्हणजे विशेषण. ओके? Now, adjective म्हणजे काय? विशेषण. म्हणजे एखाद्या वस्तूबद्दल किंवा एखाद्या व्यक्तीबद्दल किंवा एखाद्या जागेबद्दल आपण काहीतरी विशेष सांगतोय त्याला म्हणतात adjective. ओके? Now, what is an adjective? An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Okay? Now, noun म्हणजे एखादी वस्तू. It is also एखादी वस्तू असू शकते, एखादी व्यक्ती असू शकते किंवा एखाद्या ठिकाणाचं नाव असू शकते. It is also called a describing word. Means the word that is used to describe a noun is called as an adjective. ओके? आता जर मी म्हटलं रोहन एक कष्टाळू मुलगा आहे. मग रोहन कसा आहे? कष्टाळू. मग मी रोहनच्याबद्दल काहीतरी विशेष सांगतेय. ओके? मग कष्टाळू हा शब्द काय आहे? विशेषण. विशेषणाला आपण इंग्लिशमध्ये म्हणतो ॲडजेक्टिव्ह. ओके? नाव हियर adjectives generally occur before the nouns they describe. Now see, in here 3 examples are given. I will read out the examples and explain you. First example, this is an interesting story. Now in this sentence, story is a noun. Okay? In this first sentence, this is an interesting story. Story is a noun. Now just before the noun comes this word interesting. This word interesting is used to describe the story. Story kashi ahe? Interesting. So when you ask a question how, you get the answer, that is the adjective. This is an interesting story. How is the story? Interesting. So interesting is an adjective. Can you see the underline here? Now see the second sentence. Jane is a smart girl. Now in this sentence, Jane, this is a proper noun. Girl is a common noun. Okay? Now this girl, it is a noun. Now see the word smart. How is the girl? Smart. So this word smart is an adjective. ती कशी आहे? Smart आहे. So smart is an adjective. And now see the place. This word smart comes exactly before the noun. That means this word smart describes the girl. Jane is a smart girl. How is Jane? Smart. Third sentence. It was a long journey. Journey म्हणजे प्रवास. ओके? इट इज अन ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट नाउन. आपण जर्नी म्हणजे काही एक वस्तू नाही आहे की आपण त्याला हात लावू शकतो किंवा बघू शकतो. ओके? बट यू कॅन अंडरस्टँड द कन्सेप्ट. जर्नी म्हणजे प्रवास. इट इज अन ॲब्स्ट्रॅक्ट नाउन. Now, it was a long journey. How was the journey? Long. So, this word long describes the journey. Okay? So, here long is an adjective. I hope you have understood all the 3 sentences. Now, in these 3 sentences, the adjectives occurred exactly before the noun. ह्या 3 सेंटेन्सेसमध्ये ॲडजेक्टिव्ह कुठं आले? नाउनच्या अगदी पूर्वी आलेला आहे. बट समटाइम्स ॲडजेक्टिव्स कॅन ऑल्सो ऑकर इन द प्रेडिकेट विदाउट बीइंग फॉलोड बाय अ नाउन. पण कधी कधी काय होतं? ॲडजेक्टिव्ह प्रेडिकेट म्हणजे लेटर हाफ ऑफ द सेंटेन्समध्ये येऊ शकतो आणि त्याच्यानंतर नाउन नसतं. नाव सी हियर दिस इज अन इंटरेस्टिंग स्टोरी. तर नाउनच्या पूर्वी ॲडजेक्टिव्ह आलेला आहे. But this sentence can be also be written in another way. The story is interesting. Now, here the story is noun. See, interesting. How is the story? Interesting. So, this is also an adjective. But here, interesting comes in the place of the predicate. Okay? Now, Jane is smart. Now, Jane is a proper noun. Jane is smart. How is Jane? Smart. See, in the second sentence, Jane is a smart girl. Smart is an adjective. It came before the noun girl. But here in this sentence, smart comes in the predicate. Okay, and there is no noun after it. Jane is smart. How is Jane? Smart. So, when you ask a question, how, you get the adjective. Next, the journey was long. Now, see in this sentence, it was a long journey. Your journey is a noun. Long comes exactly before the noun. But now see this sentence. This sentence can also be written in this way. The journey was long. How was the journey? Long. So here long is an adjective. Okay. Here the difference is only that the adjective has been presented in a different way. In these three sentences, the adjectives come exactly before the noun. But in these three sentences, the same adjectives, they come in the predicate. Now, formation of adjectives from other words. Now, you can form adjectives, children, by adding the suffixes. Now see, you can form adjectives from other words by using ending suffixes like able, okay, for example adjustable, okay, then full, hopeful, us, us, famous, less, careless, ish, bookish, ive, that is attractive, al, arrival, ary, bravery, okay, then no, not bravery, cavalry, okay, then ed, that is wanted, and why means you can add sleepy, okay, say sleepy. Now examples, see, when you add able, now this is the suffix, you understand suffix म्हणजे आपण शब्दाच्या नंतर लावतो, okay, that is able. Now depend, after depend when you add able, you get dependable. Similarly the word given is understand. Now when you add understand plus able gives understandable. Okay, next full. Now you have to add the suffix full. Hope, hopeful, faith, faithful. Now us, danger, dangerous. See, we have added this suffix after the word danger. Fame, famous, less. Now you have to add the suffix less. Harm, harmless, care, careless. Now ish, child, childish, girl, girlish. Now ive, attract, attractive, impress, impressive. Now al, region, regional, season, seasonal, ary. Now imagine, imaginary, custom, customary, okay. Now ed, gift, gifted, talent, talented, sleep, sleepy, dust, dusty. I hope you all have understood these. Now let us solve an exercise. See what is given. Choose suitable endings from the brackets and form adjectives from the words given below. Means what you have to do, see students, you please read the question carefully, because well begun is half done. So you have to begin correctly. Most of the times you don't read the questions only and then you go wrong. Okay. Now what is asked? Choose suitable endings from the brackets. Now here can you see brackets are given. In these brackets they have given you two endings. So the suitable one, right one you have to choose. Okay. Choose suitable endings from the brackets and form adjectives from the words given below. Now cheer. Now to cheer, which suffix you will add? Full or able? We don't say cheerable. That is wrong. Okay. This is wrong. We add full, cheerful. Okay. She is a cheerful girl. Health. Now health, we don't add full. Okay. We don't say healthful. Wrong. But we add y. That is healthy. So healthy is the correct one. Now fever. Fever. Now which suffix will you use? IVE or ISH? Fever, feverish. So you will use ISH. Okay, feverish. Then sense. Now here two suffixes are given, ish and less. So which is the correct one? Sense, senseless. Now wonder, wonder. Again they have given two suffixes, full and able. We never say wonderable. Wrong. It's wonderful. Okay. Next, accident. Okay, now we don't never say accidentable, wrong. This is wrong. We say accidental. Okay, now learn. Learn, we never, now two again suffixes are given, ed and ary. Okay, now ed and ary, but the correct one is ed, learned. Okay, he is a learned person. We never use ary. Now, courage. Courage. Now, two suffixes are given, full and us. Again, which is the correct one? ous, courageous. He is a courageous boy. Now, accept. Okay. Now, we never say acceptful. That is wrong. We say acceptable. Okay, मान्य करण्यासारखं, acceptable. Next, rain. Now, which suffix will you use? We never say rainful. It is a rainful day. Wrong. It is a rainy day. Okay. So, which suffix will you use? Y. Rain, rainy. Okay, student. So, you have to write the answers over here. Now, I am going to discuss another exercise. Okay. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. Now, can you see sentences given over here? Yes. Now, you have to find out the adjectives in the given sentences. Once again, I repeat the question. Underline the adjectives in the following sentences. The first one has been done as an example. They were skilled archers. Okay. Now, they were skilled archers. Now, here, archers, it is a noun. Okay. They were skilled archers. Archers is a noun here. How were the archers? Skilled. So, skilled is an adjective. Did you understand? See here in this sentence, the adjective skilled comes exactly before the noun, that is archers. Okay. Next, he left the usual safe route. Now, your route is a noun. Okay. Your route is a noun. Now, how is the route? Which two words have they used to describe the route? Unusual and, usual and safe. So, usual and safe are the adjectives. Now, goldfish, goldfish, living deep, are you never sad? Now, goldfish, goldfish, living deep, are you never sad? Now, which word have they used to describe the goldfish? Sad. Okay. Now, if you hear some new or unfamiliar words, try to guess their meaning. Now, here, if you hear some new or unfamiliar words, now here in this sentence, the words is the noun. Okay. Which two words have they used to describe words? New and unfamiliar. So, these two are the adjectives. Gopal Bhand looked at him with raised eyebrows. Now here, eyebrows is a noun. Which word have they used to describe the eyebrows? Raised. So, raised is an adjective. Now, the elder one ran a shop, the middle one was a priest, and the youngest one had just finished his education. Now, the elder one, see, ran a shop. Now, this elder is again an adjective used to describe, okay, the age. Middle one, the middle, and the youngest. So, these three are the adjectives. Now, count your days by the golden hours. Now, your hours is a noun. Okay, and how are the hours? Golden. So, golden is a what? An adjective. They wanted to be loving and gentle. Now, how they wanted to be? त्यांना कसं व्हायचं होतं? Loving and gentle. Now, see, in this sentence, the adjective comes exactly before the noun. But in this sentence, the adjective comes in the predicate. They wanted to be loving and gentle. How they wanted to be loving and gentle? So, loving and gentle are the adjectives. He gave a loud and terrible roar. Now, your roar is a noun. Now, which two words have they used to describe the roar? Loud and terrible. Okay, so loud and terrible are the adjectives. Now, the book includes very attractive and expressive sketches. Now here, sketches is a noun. Okay, sketches is a noun. Now, which two words have they used to describe sketches? Attractive and expressive. Okay, now Helen had an active mind and a clever brain. Now, in these two sentences, there are two nouns. Okay, see, mind, again an abstract noun, and a brain. Okay, these are two nouns. Now, how is the mind? Active. Active is an adjective. How is the brain? Clever. So, active and clever are the two adjectives used to describe mind and brain respectively. Now, how do you feel when you are happy or angry or sad? Now, in this sentence, there are three adjectives: happy, angry, sad. Okay, so these three are the adjectives. Happy म्हणजे आनंदी, angry म्हणजे रागीट आणि sad म्हणजे दुःखी. Okay, next. There were big jagged rocks at the bottom. Now here rocks is a noun. Okay. Now which two words have been used to describe rocks? Big and jagged. So big and jagged are the adjectives. Next, the tree fell with a crash, carrying the ugly, snarling brutes with it. Now here again, brutes is a noun. Brutes is what? Noun. Now which two words have been used to describe brutes? We know brute means what? Brute means a cruel person. एक अतिशय क्रुएल माणसाला आपण म्हणतो ब्रूट. आता हाऊ आर द ब्रूट्स? Ugly and snarling. Okay? Ugly and snarling are the words used to describe. Ugly म्हणजे अतिशय कुरूप, वाईट, खराब दिसणारे. Snarling म्हणजे ओरडणारे कर्कश आवाजात. Okay? Ugly and snarling brutes. So, here ugly and snarling are the adjectives used to describe brutes. Now, you can fill it with bright colored powders. Okay? You can fill it with bright colored powders. Now, here powder is what? A noun. Now, which two adjectives have they used to describe powder? Bright and colored. So, bright and colored are the two adjectives used to describe noun. Students, I hope you all have understood adjectives. We have also discussed two exercises over here. I just want you people to write down the notes, okay? These notes as well as the exercises in your notebook. Thank you.